at me.
Alright guys, welcome back. Just want to show off my progress on this box here. This is for the Rockford hx2 12s, two of them dual fours. And in this video, I'm gonna free air one of them and just try to do like 240 frames per second, just to show it flexing. If the GoPro will like cooperate, because the last time I tried to do it, it wouldn't upload onto my Adobe Premiere. So we'll see, but here's one of them. I have two. They're all dusty from me building boxes. This one, yeah, the other one I have has a dented dust cap, but yeah, a little dusty, but I'll get it all undusty, hooked up and whatnot. But they're gonna be in 2.5 cubic foot ported each side, because I had one in this box right here, and this was 2 cubes, and I inverted it and it was a lot better, so I want 2.5 for each side. So let me get it hooked up, and then I'm gonna try to do at least 120 frames per second, but I'm gonna try the 240 and hope it works. So stay tuned. Alright guys, let's hope this works. This is 120 frames per second. It's at 2 ohms. Alright, let me try 240.